So now another lowest takeoff I've ever seen. From Delta Belly, yeah! Awesome, another 800 too. Yeah, another, I think, that was about as low as the other one. Maybe a little higher. See, Jeff? What do you think? Another 737. This one's a 9. Oh, listen to that 7.5, yeah. Look, it's on the left bank. Oh, look at the right bank. Are they changing the pattern or what? I've never seen one bank that aggressively this early. And it's another 737. This one's a 800, no Delta belly. Another loud one. And there goes the rumbling of the ground. Now it's time to go top up. Say hi to the camera, Jeff. Yeah, that's your way of saying hi. You say it backwards, I think we have a 763 right here. Underneath the ILS. Runway 27 left, Atlanta. Airport, you see the runway lights. I think they have ILS in them, I've heard. 763. Oh, yes. Oh, I don't believe it. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, incredible. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, God, yes. And we got another one. Oh, that was the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. 763. 737. Some sort of max. Yes! And there it goes. Southwest. How's Southwest? Hopefully something else is coming. Hopefully don't get any CRJs. 763 was good enough for me. Look at the 717. Listen to it, too. Got a nice board. I don't even have to zoom in anymore. Oh, I'm seeing colors on colors and... Jeff, are you not having a good time here?
Stop. Yes.
Come on. I just need you to answer that one question. 737-800 on the roll. 767-400 is going to be coming, not next, but maybe
that's
soon
a big
enough.
boy here.
Did you hear that? Oh, that's loud. What a wild spot to be spotting, though. I feel like I'm finally worthy of calling myself a spotter. Another 737. Delta Belly, yes! Oh, yes! And touchdown. Not football touchdown. Gear touchdown. 1.27 left. Come on, do it. There it is. That one's a loud one. Hey, look at the tower. Look at that thing spinning on top of the tower. ERJ. Probably a 175. I'm gonna call it a 175. Hey, it's JetBlue, yay. Oh, and there goes another ERJ. On a takeoff roll. There's a truck. There's a 737. Another 757 lined up. There's a 757 taking off on the north side. And there's another jet coming over here. I don't know exactly when it's going to get here, but... Oh, look at 757 right bank again. The 764, 767-400. How small the engines are in these. But I don't care. Delta Belly, yes! Oh, it's breast cancer awareness. Look. It's a breast cancer awareness livery. Wow. Special livery, too. What a double dose. Oh, I'm having the best time of my life out here right now. I hope this is a 757-300. No, it's a 2. Still good. Delta Belly, yeah! Had to say that before. Yeah! Yay! Oh, I'm on. See if we can see a touchdown, and... oh, I saw it level. 747's coming next. Yeah! I don't know, looks all white. It might be challenge. I've already seen a challenge come. Or Asiana. Yeah, Asiana. It's gray. I don't know, I'm not gonna make assumptions. Yes, yes, yes! Oh my god, yeah, that was Cathay Pacific cargo. So that might have been an 8. A 747-8. That's the biggest type. There you go. Oh, you can see the tire smoke. What a...
I think a gust of wind came and blew.
Just got down to the car, but I'm not going to get anything out of it until the 717. I'm not even going to make the joke this time. Delta Belly, yeah! Well, Delta Belly, yeah! And there it goes to the, well, to runway 27 left now. More jets are lined up. And an A321 just took off. What a positive note delivered by 75. Come on, have a Delta Belly. That's the least you can do. Delta Belly, yay! Oh, yeah! And come on, touchdown. You know, I don't even have to get a touchdown. I don't care. Clock has just hit 12 midday. 12 p.m. Arrival 737, 800. And as the sun makes its way a little bit less than even right above us, 737 makes it to runway 27 left. Bellier! We believe Asiana cargo this time, but I don't know. It looks like it though. 747 again. Oh, I don't believe it. Yeah! Oh, that's crazy. Another 747. Let's see if we see the smoke. Tire smoke, come on.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what they do.
763. Oh, listen to that. Oh, it's got a Delta Belly, yay. And there we go. Right in front.